In today's video lesson, the learning objective is for you to be able to multiply two binomials together using the FOIL method. The acronym FOIL stands for F, multiplying the first two terms; O, multiplying the outside two terms; I, multiplying the two inside terms; and L, multiplying the last two terms. In our example, we have 3y minus 5 times 7y plus 1. Using the acronym FOIL, multiplying the first terms, we're going to multiply 3y times 7y, giving us 21y squared. For O, we're going to multiply our outside terms, which would be 3y times 1, giving us 3y. I, for our inside terms, we're going to multiply negative 5 times 7y, giving us a negative 35y. And L, for our last terms, we're going to multiply negative 5 times 1, giving us negative 5. Putting all of that together, we'll have 21y squared plus 3y minus 35y minus 5. Combining our like terms together that are here in the middle, we will end up with 21y squared minus 32y minus 5 for our final answer. Now it's time for you to practice. Pause the video, write down the problem, and take a few minutes to solve the binomial using the FOIL method. Here is the solution for your practice problem. Take time to check it to see if you got it right, and happy learning!